name is Bharati Balakrishnan and I joined Lokaloy in August 2015 as Chief Business Officer. I'm here to help build the business and the dream with Aditya, who's the founder and also happens to be a junior of mine from BITS Pilani. I love being in a high energy environment. I think everyone's young and bubbling with enthusiasm. I love the fact that we're solving one of India's biggest problems, and in doing so, hopefully we're making a difference to many entrepreneurs who are plumbers, electricians, beauticians, educationists across India. That's really what drives me every day. I think the number one thing I love about working at Lokaloy is the high energy as soon as you enter work. I'm definitely on the wrong side of the average age group here, and so for me it's very motivating to come and speak to people who are in their first job and are so spirited and so passionate about delivering for this business. That's what inspires me every day when I come to work. I think the future is blue sky. It is so enormous. The problem that we're trying to solve is so big, and there's so much to do in this space and at Lokaloy. Every day we start a new category. Every day we're thinking about launching in a new city. Every day we're thinking about how to make this customer experience better. Every day we're talking to a bunch of partners and asking them what we could do better. So every day is better than yesterday, and I feel like the future is only going to get better than where we are today. I think the single biggest reason to join a startup is the passion you bring to it and the lessons that you learn on an everyday basis. If I were to look back at my first job, I think the number one reason that made it fantastic was the people I worked with. And that's something we can guarantee you will enjoy at Lokaloy. You will always work with quality people who are focused, razor sharp on delivering for the business every day. And we're a huge culture of fun, but we're also very good culture of merit. People who do well at Lokaloy make huge strides in their career very quickly. And so for the stage of company we're at, it's a great place to come, earn your stripes, deliver for the business and grow very quickly through your 20s and in your first job. And if I was sitting here as a 22-year-old, that's what I'd be thinking. Where can I go that I can make maximum impact? Where can I go that I can learn from scores of people around me every day on how to do my job better? And where can I go that what I do is recognized and rewarded purely on the basis of merit? Hopefully some of what makes me super is the energy I bring to everyday work, but really I think that becoming or being super is an ongoing journey, and I feel like as long as you're in an environment where someone's teaching you something every day, you're only going to get more and more super, right? And that's what I'm trying to do here. So come join Lokaloy and stay super.